my brother, my best friend. From the very beginning of my life, my brother has always been by my side. We have shared a home, a childhood, and many memories that I will never forget. To me, he is more than just a brother. He is my best friend, my protector, and the one person who knows me better than anyone else. We may fight sometimes, and we may not always agree, but in the end, he's the one I can always count on. Whether I'm happy or sad, lost or confident, he's always there. Having a brother like him is one of the greatest gifts life has given me. When we were kids, we did everything together. We played games, rode bicycles, watched cartoons, and made up stories that only we could understand. Sometimes we fought over toys or who got the bigger slice of cake, but those moments never lasted long. We'd be laughing again in a few minutes, forgetting why we were upset in the first place. My childhood would not have been the same without him. He made every day more fun and every adventure more exciting. He was always ready to explore, to try new things, and to take me along with him. My brother is the kind of person who may not say, "I love you" with words all the time, but shows it through his actions. I remember the times he stood up for me when I was scared. Whether it was dealing with bullies at school or helping me fix something I broke before our parents saw it, he was always there. He made me feel safe, like nothing could hurt me as long as he was around. He always took care of me, even when he was just a kid himself. He never asked for anything in return. That's the kind of love you don't see often. Quiet, strong, and always present. As we grew older, our bond only got stronger. We started to understand each other more. We shared our dreams, our worries, and even our secrets. He became the person I talked to when I didn't know what to do. When I was confused, he gave me advice. When I was sad, he listened without judgment. Sometimes, he didn't even have to say anything. His presence was enough. Just knowing he was there made everything feel better. There's a special kind of peace that comes from knowing someone truly understands you. And that's what I feel when I'm with him. One of the best things about my brother is that he believes in me, even when I don't believe in myself. He sees my strengths when I only see my weaknesses. He pushes me to do better, to try harder, and to never give up. Whenever I doubt myself, he reminds me of everything I've already overcome. He tells me I'm stronger than I think. And because he says it, I start to believe it too. His faith in me has given me the courage to chase my goals, even when they felt out of reach. We've had our share of hard times too. Life hasn't always been easy. There have been days when things didn't go the way we hoped. Losses, failures, heartbreaks. But even during those moments, he never left my side. When I cried, he sat with me in silence, letting me feel what I needed to feel. When I felt like giving up, he reminded me why I started. He doesn't try to fix everything, but he makes sure I never have to face anything alone. That kind of support means more than words can say. My brother is also the one who knows how to make me laugh, even on my worst days. He has a way of turning serious moments into jokes, of lightening the mood when everything feels heavy. His sense of humor is one of the things I love most about him. He can find joy in the smallest things and share it with the people around him. No matter how bad things get, he always finds a way to smile and to make me smile too. It's a gift, really, to be able to bring happiness to others so easily. He's also the most honest person I know. He doesn't tell me what I want to hear. He tells me what I need to hear. And even when the truth is hard, I know it's coming from a place of love. He wants what's best for me, even if it means being tough sometimes. That honesty has helped me grow. It's helped me face reality, make better choices, and become a stronger person. Not everyone has someone in their life who loves them enough to be honest with them, but I do, and I'm so grateful for that. Now that we're older, we don't get to spend as much time together as we used to. Life gets busy. We have our own paths, our own responsibilities. But no matter where we go or what we do, I know our bond will never fade. I carry his voice in my heart, and I know he carries mine too. We might not talk every day, but we don't have to. Real friendship, real family, doesn't depend on time or distance. It lives in the little moments, the memories, and the love that never changes. Sometimes I look back at old pictures of us, two kids laughing at something silly, with no idea how fast time would fly. And I feel so lucky. Lucky that I didn't just get a brother, but a best friend. Someone who grew up with me, walked beside me, and shaped me into who I am. We've been through so much together, and I know we'll go through even more. But whatever happens, I know he'll always be there, just like he always has been. So to my brother, thank you. Thank you for the laughter, the protection, the wisdom, and the love.